know, we're heading to Hoover Dam. There's the sphere.
Does it say Paradise Road?
That's going to be the Hoover Dam portion. I saw this flying in, I noticed through the window. Welcome to Hoover Dam. It's the only time I could say damn without getting in trouble. Do we take the steps? Oh, you want to do the
shirts?
All right, we're gonna do
one
this.
That I sent you that says Vegas with the in and out sign is on the front of the shirt. And then on that one, there's nothing on the back. Just slide down.
Oh, Angela's winded. Climbing those stairs up to Hoover Dam. We can find where the tours are. We left where we got off on the wrong exit. It's time to go back. We finally found our way to the dam, and we're heading to get tickets for the tour.
This is on the front of the shirt. There is nothing.
Straight ahead, straight ahead. 8 steps, watch yourself going down. Your tour guide. And what we have here is a layout of Hoover Dam and the surrounding infrastructure. So the question is this: how in 1931 to 1933 the workers created 4 diversion tunnels, 2 each within the walls of Canyon, 2 on the Arizona side, 2 diversion tunnels on the Nevada side. Each diversion tunnel is, for example, 4,000 feet long.
Probably good money back in the day. 50 cents a day, 50 cents an hour. Now we're heading over to the power plant. Went up the elevator a couple floors. Heading up.
Down here, if you want to take some pictures, come on in, everyone. Yeah, if you want to take closer pictures, just find a spot along the balcony. Come on in. Here we go. Come on in, everyone. Find a spot along the balcony. Here we go. Take your pictures. And this is Hoover Dam. This is Hoover Dam's power plant. Hoover Dam's power plant. As the rotor spins in a stator, passing 5 miles of copper wiring at 180 RPMs, it produces 16,500 volts of electricity. Another generator we have here in the power plant is the Pelton water wheel. Look down to the power plant floor. That brown device with the silver pedals, that is a Pelton water wheel. It produces 2.4 megawatts of power. This station service generator and another one just like it, which is in the Arizona wing, provides all of the electricity for the internal needs of the power plant and the dam.
You should ask him. A lot of elevators. Now we're heading to the dam. Whoa.
They're doing this, but they're still watching it. I'm an engineer, so.
Move out of the way.
Angle it just right. Oh my goodness, it's so hot.
Go ahead of me.
Back down, okay? Excuse me, just. Folks, head down there, take those photographs.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Head over to that the original exhibit building. You'll see it across the street over there.
Woo, that's so much.